Right, today we're going to show how to prep galvanised surfaces with Mordant T Wash. Health and safety first, gloves, goggles, because I wear glasses, hence the visor. So here we go. First of all, prep the surface with 2802 bare metal prep. The blue tape we've put on, we're going to do 1/2 prepped, 1/2 not, or 1/2 with Mordant T Wash, 1/2 not. The next part of the instruction is to rinse under water. So I'll just go and do that now. Right, that's the part rinsed off. Now to dry. Just blue tissue. Right, next part, apply the T wash. Using a clean 1/2 inch brush, nothing special. Dipping in. And there we go. You can see side that's been prepped, starting to turn black, which is showing that the reaction is occurring. Obviously the side we haven't touched is still shiny galvanised. Allow to dry. Right, now the Mordant T Wash is dried. As you can see, it's now got a shade of black. It shows that it has reacted. The instructions say this is now to be rinsed under a tap. Right, that's been rinsed. Now just to dry it off. Again, more blue paper towel. Next is to etch prime it. We'll be using Paintman 1-pack grey etch primer aerosol. And again, when using aerosols, even though we are in a well ventilated space, use a respirator. When I'm spraying it, the can will be well shook, and then light, even strokes over it till you get an even coverage. Continuing on with the Mordant Wash example, that side had the Mordant Wash, that side hasn't, etch primed as shown earlier. We're now going to key this back, panel wipe it, and then go over with dark grey primer. We're just going to key it back with a Scotch Brite, red one. Just take the top off and give the primer something to bite onto. Just lightly. You can hear a sound difference from the Mordant side to the non. Now the 2800 prep clean. Just leave that now to dry. Right, we're now going to put a top coat on this prep piece. Again, Scotch Brite the primer to give it a key. We're then going to go over it with a tack rag to remove any of the dust. Again, tack rag is available from Paintman. Mm. Now we're going to put a top coat on, Volkswagen Iberian Red. Right.